Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the HPBS H50 to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product: HPBS H50 car jump starter with a super 5,000 ampere peak. This jump starter can easily jump start up to 10.0 liter gas or 8.0 liter diesel, 12-volt vehicles in 1 to 2 seconds, up to 40 times on a fully charge. This battery jump starter has 10 different safety features: advanced intelligent clamps, protect against short circuits, over temperature, overcharge, over discharge, reverse polarity, and more, protecting both you and your vehicle. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the HPBS H50 battery clamps, USB-A to USB Type-C cable, carrying bag, user manual, product description, power button, indicator lights, EC5 output port, USB Type-C input, USB 1 output, USB 2 output, LED flashlight. How to use. Fully insert the smart battery clamps into the jump starter's 12-volt port. Connect the red clamp to the battery's positive terminal and the black clamp to the battery's negative terminal. Start your engine and remove the clamps from the battery. How to recharge. To charge the jump starter, connect the included charging cables USB Type-C to the device's charging port and the cables USB Type-A to the power source. The power source can be any USB source, like 5-volt wall chargers, car chargers, etc. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.